To integrate Afterpay with WooCommerce, start by installing the Afterpay Payment Gateway plugin from the WordPress plugin directory. Once installed, activate the plugin and navigate to the WooCommerce settings page. Click on the Payments tab and select Afterpay as the payment method. You will be required to enter your Afterpay merchant ID and secret key, which can be obtained from your Afterpay account dashboard. After configuring the payment settings, you will need to set up the Afterpay payment method for your store. This involves specifying the countries and currencies that you want to offer Afterpay as a payment. Option 4. You can also customize the Afterpay payment button and messaging to match your store's branding. One of the key concepts to understand when integrating Afterpay with WooCommerce is the pre-approval process. This involves Afterpay performing a series of checks on the customer's creditworthiness before approving the payment. As a merchant, you can customize the pre-approval settings to suit your store's needs, such as setting a minimum or maximum order amount for Afterpay payments. To test the Afterpay integration, create a test product and add it to your cart. Proceed to the checkout page and select Afterpay as the payment method. You will be redirected to the Afterpay website to complete the payment. Once the payment is complete, you will be redirected back to your store's order confirmation page. Best practices for integrating Afterpay with WooCommerce include ensuring that your store's SSL certificate is up to date, as Afterpay requires a secure connection to process payments. You should also regularly update the Afterpay plugin to ensure that you have the latest features and security patches. In terms of practical examples, consider a customer who wants to purchase a product worth $100. With Afterpay, the customer can pay for the product in 4 installments of $25 each, paid over a period of 8 weeks. As a merchant, you receive the full payment up front, while Afterpay handles the payment processing and customer repayment. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully integrate Afterpay with WooCommerce and offer your customers a convenient and flexible payment option. This can help to increase sales and improve the overall customer experience for your store.